partnerships. You have partnerships with SUNY Plattsburgh, with CV Tech, with P-Tech, the program in some of the local high schools that freshmen spend their high school careers with a view toward careers in technology and manufacturing. Also Clarkson University. So you have a number of partners here, and so there are many different options for students. Some may go right into their careers when they complete their training at IAM. Others may go on to Clarkson and pursue a 4-year degree or go on from once they leave your facility.
Yeah, absolutely, and I think it's important to remember how many different types of career pathways and options there are along the way, and that's why it's important to have all of those partners working together, right? We are such a small but wonderful community that it takes everyone coming together to make this work, right? The IAM is not just one thing. The IAM is not just Clinton. The IAM is a community. And so on the business side, it's a community of businesses coming together to work on what those training programs are and what their needs are. And on the education side, it's the educational communities coming together and being on the same page. I like to think of it as a highway or a road, right? And there's many exits that you can get off as we go down 87, right, along the way. And then you can get back on at any point in time. So these partnerships with high schools, these partnerships with a program like P-Tech, which is really designed and centered around project-based technology learning, they get a unique experience to work with companies at such a young age and have company mentors through their high school years, but also, with that program, them graduating after 5 to 6 years, not only with their high school diploma, but also with a degree from Clinton Community College, and then able to, take that off ramp and go into a career or continue down the highway and maybe go to a school like Clarkson. So those partnerships are extremely crucial in understanding that at any point in time, so students coming out of high school and going through the programs that are at CV Tech, and a lot of students come out of those programs and they go into careers in many of the companies in our area. And at times, and we have them right now, there's students from CV Tech that have worked for a few years, they're coming back and taking additional training, right? And we talked a little bit earlier about different levels of training that can happen at the IAM. So it's the same thing. So we've got students from CV Tech, students from P-Tech, different levels at the IAM and offshoots that students are coming in and out and working with industry. And then, of course, the career path of engineering and research. And so that partnership with Clarkson is critical too.
Do you anticipate a number of people already employed in the community, already in careers, looking at IAM and maybe coming and starting a new career in manufacturing and bettering their life and stepping up into a higher paying job?
I can confidently say yes, because it's happening right now. This semester alone, there's several members of the community who have come in and who have enrolled in the programs because they want to learn more about it. They want to change, they want to move up in their careers. There's a lot of companies in our area that incentivize that. And so there's a lot of men and women who are coming through degree programs to take the next step in their career, even within their own company. So that has been exciting to see.
So that's good. You're not only helping out the manufacturers by giving them the trained workers they need, but you're helping people in the community fill those jobs and better their lives.
Yeah, because I think it's important to remember that it's not an issue with not having the people in this area for this, right? We have the people. It's understanding the pathways and the options that are out there and how to get to those avenues. So the more that we can educate and inject in the community to show these different pathways and options, the better educated everyone will be on the types of decisions and the avenues they want to go, and hopefully we can help get them to their end goal, whatever that is.